on the 20th of March, we received a phone call from our staff who was on site that the water was coming very rapidly from the rivers. So in the 45 minutes that we needed to get there, the water was already, it already came up with like a meter. So that just shows how fast it can go from 0 to, well, a meter. Eventually it came up to like 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 meters. Krokodillen alles! Oké. Sabine, ik vind het eng! Ik vind het eng! So when we finally crossed the crocodile and snake infested river, we managed to get to the office area, and by the time we were really scared because the water was coming up like 30 centimeters every 5 minutes. So yeah, you definitely hear me panicking at this point. Here you see our watchman walking with our dogs in his arms. The dogs were staying in our office, and the water was already entering the office at this point. So he's bringing the dogs to the car, and Sabine tried to drive the car out. Unfortunately, on the way driving out, she submerged completely in water. The water came until her shoulders when she was sitting in the car. And we were very lucky that there were about 40 people watching this whole scenery from the tarmac. So with 40 people, they managed to pull the car out of the water, and everyone was safe. So that's the tarmac, signpost, and that's the road. The complete area is flooded. Tarmac started in flood. Yeah. Everyone is drying their things.
Trying at least.
Moving out.
It's completely flooded everywhere. But I'm sure it was also going over these bridges last night. Oh, there's people there. Why? Why?
Yeah.
Space.
Yeah, it's...
Anyway,
don't go there. Ah, look how the current is fast.
Complete disaster.
It's horrible. It's really, really horrible. Yeah, just driving in a river.
Oh.
There'd be crocodiles in here for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely the water, but I can see the gravel.
So how deep does it go down here?
This is deep.
This part is deepest. The beginning.
I see the gravel road.
Yeah, I also see the gravel.
2019 it wasn't like
It wasn't like this, no. Ja, dat zijn ze, ja.
Raam open.
Careful, je zit echt op de rand.
so you don't have to tie, it's almost on the ditch.
Ja, zo.
Only this space.
Ja,
Wat ga ik doen?
even wachten.
Of ga ik daar omdraaien?
Ja, ik dacht, je moet eigenlijk naar het droge
We
rijden,
moeten
maar...
daarheen en omdraaien. So we're stuck with the both cars. Bob is there behind me in the ditch. I'm stuck here. So we're trying to winch the cars out now. out. Oh god, this is the look. The plot is, the water has gone lower, but we're still obviously completely flooded. Everything is under. But as you can see, yesterday the water came up here, all the way until the doors on top. So at least now that's gone. But the whole plot is completely flooded. So the rescue planes are flying over, helicopters, trying to pull out the second car.
Okay. Everyone ready? Yeah. Stop. Ik zie het. Wacht, wacht, wacht. Stop. Stop. And Zak, what about putting bricks now? It's like sinking in the ditch. So we tried already three trees. Now we're going to try the palm, eh? You think it's strong? Okay. Okay.
Okay, be safe, eh? Hey, hey, hey.
That's not a big one. It's small. Come on. Come on, step.
Oh, it attacked you, did you see? Be careful, Rob. It's not happy. So the tractor has to try and drive in that road to pull out the car that's stuck there, but hey, we don't know about this plan. Hey! Ja, kanker. Hij rijdt nog wel. Ah.
De andere kant van de weg halen.
Come on, Malume! Ah!
Oh shit!
Hey! 4x4, there's no need for that.